everybody, welcome back to Craft Cafe. Today on the program we will be making this embroidery hoop wall art. Everything that you will need is in your Craft to Go kit, except you will need a little bit of glue and some scissors. To pick up your Craft to Go kit, you can use our Library to Go services Monday through Saturday, 10 to 5. Just email us at refdesk@elsegundo.org or give us a call at 310-524-2728 to reserve your kit. Please remember, supplies are limited. Let's get the program started.